What's up, YouTube? This is B-Side Investing. We're going to look into Hive's announcement, fiscal year-end Hodl coin asset, how much they hodl now. So look at the current price. Market's closed, and we're sitting at 501. And we had a quick jump just 10 minutes before close from 477s to just about 23 cents jump in the last 10 minutes. Not sure why it jumped. There's no explanation to it. Bitfarm as well jumped at the end. Hut didn't jump, so I'm not sure what happened there. So I don't know. Investor sentiments change. Maybe I don't like. Maybe a new investor bought just those two. Who knows? Okay, so those are just speculations. I want to stay away from them. Let's see. So, right, we're looking into Hive. So Hive, if you go to their website, you can get this article here. If you just go on news release, and you get the latest release from HIVE Blockchain Technologies. Okay, so we got here coin inventory hodl, and this will be announced beginning of calendar year 2021. And as of March 31st, 2021, they hodl 320 Bitcoin and over 20,000 Ethereum coins. Now, I don't usually keep track of Ethereum coins, so I just keep track of Bitcoin hodl because the rest of the companies here mainly do Bitcoin. So I want to keep their main currency, cryptocurrency Jesus, can't think properly right now. So the main cryptocurrency that they mine. So it is a bit low, but they only have about 653 petahash as of right now, unless they changed or got some shipments in or things that they didn't disclose publicly. Hive doesn't seem to do a good job of like letting investors know, but then again, it is up to the company. So if you look at DigiHouse, they do a monthly update on their Bitcoin hodl, and it usually gives a small boost with the stock, and it goes up 10%. It's totally up to the company if they want to disclose this, obviously. So having a good investor relation, it's really good. Keeping investors up to date is really crucial at these times. So they do have a Q3 1.67 exahash delivery coming in. Now, of course, this is potential delivery that could come in because of the COVID and the restrictions across the world and delays with this chip shortage. That could be delayed further down the road, and we will know more when Q3 rolls around. So that's that. And they have a Q4 2021 goal of 3 exahash. Now, I don't know where they're getting the additional like 630 630-ish petahash. So we'll see how what that happens with that. Actually, it's more like 526 petahash. Yeah, it's a small chunk change compared to this right here. So they could just do a smaller, but then they probably have a long outlook right here for Q4 2022. Riot just released their potential their deal that I'm gonna do a video on as well. Check it out. So they're looking at 7 exahash. I believe it was Q4 2022, if I'm not mistaken. So they're competing with Bitfarms over here. So now Bitfarms it's going to be close. The Hodl numbers are going to be close, but the hash rate, it's looking really good. And Bitfarms is way undervalued. Jesus, like I haven't updated this chart. You can just look at the freaking chart, market cap to hash rate. Look at this, ridiculous. Hash rate is similar to Riot. Market cap, and this is in Canadian dollars, by the way, 557. It's not up to date, but it's a few like million here, like plus or minus. Yeah, it's freaking ridiculous. I mean, would you like? I don't think. I think it's just because of the smaller market that it's in. The Canadian market, it's not that big. So once Bitfarms, Hive, and HUD get into the Nasdaq market, we're talking like huge exponential gains, hopefully, to kind of like combat this ridiculous inequality. Okay. So 320 have updated the chart, and they're also looking at a total dollar value of crypto asset for the fiscal year end. So this is not March 31st, but fiscal year end. So that's December 31st, 2020, US dollar 60 million, and that's in crypto, and cash of 36 million US dollars. So Ethereum has, for the past 12 months, outperformed Bitcoin, BTC. Yeah, we know that Ethereum, the smaller crypto coins do better than the bigger ones. So, and if you want to compare the Bitcoin and Ethereum price, or just percentage gain to crypto miners, then the miners do way better than crypto coins just in general. So that's the way to invest in, and that's why we are here investing in crypto miners. Okay, so, and let's see. We have announced our commitment to grow our Bitcoin production to 3 exahash over the next 12 months. Yeah, it's definitely plausible. Hopefully there's no delays with the shipment, and hopefully they release new order numbers. I want to see at least 5 exahash order, similar to what Bitfarms and Riot is doing right now. So Bitfarms, they have a 5 exahash upgrade just in 2022, and similar with that with Riot as well. They'll probably have another 3 exahash for now, and they're looking at the S19J. So that's like 95 terahash per second, so that's pretty good. Definitely it is difficult for it seems at least to get a good hash rate. Hopefully we will be looking into if they can get with Bitmain, hopefully micro PT Watts miners, the M30S++ 112. I haven't, it's maybe my memory is not just fully there. Like I don't remember any company owning M30S++. Maybe a few orders here and there, but they're mainly going for the S19 Pros and S19J, and just with the ant miners. And even the M30S Plus would be fine. Like the profitability is really like just $5 shy of the highest state-of-the-art miner. So yeah, I think we're getting a little bit off topic. Let's get in here. Let's see. So in the next 12 months, based on current BTC and Ethereum price, our revenue would surge 300%. So they're looking at 3 times the current revenue. So that's a bit due to an increase in their hash rate for Bitcoin, and mainly also I would like them to add the inner silicon. Whoa, what happened? Yeah, the inner silicon 2000 megahash. That's coming in just April, May, June, July. So 2 months, 3 months. That'll be $170 per day profitability, which is ridiculous. Now, I don't know how much this one costs, about 23 per unit. Let's say average price about 22, 23 per unit. Of course, the bigger miners, they most likely could get a discount on these prices, but generally we're looking at around 23k, and profitability per year looks like 61k. So with one unit, we're looking at 40k profitability with current price, and price is obviously going to rise. So yeah, let's see. So once again, with the supply line and logistics with COVID, remind shareholders that the COVID pandemic continues to impact logistics and supply and miners from Asia, obviously. And obviously this is also with the chip shortage, and it's impacting not just cryptocurrency, not just crypto miners, but also the global manufacturers of cars. So yeah. Okay, let's see what else we got here. So there's an option grant, and I think that's about it, huh? Yeah, that's about it. So the company announced that the board of directors has approved the option grant of 100k incentive stock options to the okay, blah blah blah. Okay, these are just stock options for the executives and board members, and yeah, looks like also consultants with the company. Prior to the end, the company had approximately 300 million shares issued outstanding, and 14 million in stock options. Okay, that's a lot. All right, so yeah, one thing to take away from this video is Ethereum is definitely more profitability wise. With Hive, they can increase their Ethereum. Now the tricky part is the EIP 1559 that's coming in July, so that's going to be interesting. Their profitability is going to slow down, but Ethereum price will shoot up. In the long term, the EIP 1559 is a much needed. Yeah, it's because the gas price is just ridiculous. Anyways, you guys should look up into that more. This video is getting too long for just this small article. Okay, let's see. Anything else that we are missing? I think they did the stock options before, didn't they? Or was it another company? Okay, it was another company then. Because I feel like they did the stock options share swap agreement right there. Okay, this is with DeFi. No, that's not this one. Okay, anyways, yeah. Yeah, also, I guess I have to let you guys know that I am also invested in HIVE Blockchain. My price target for HIVE is 45. Now, of course, they did take a hit because of the market crash, I guess you could say. This instability in the market, and it did come down all the way from 680 and 480? No, less than $4. That was a good buying opportunity right there. But yeah, $45, I think, if not this year, I think first quarter next year. Yeah, it could definitely hit that. Their revenue is 3x, and their profitability, there's no debt with HUT, Bitfarms, DigiHost, and Hive. These 4 Canadian companies, they don't have any debt remaining. If I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments section below. Of course, I could be wrong. I mean, I'm keeping track of a lot of companies, so my mind goes like all over the place, and I could be mistaken. So anyways, I think that's it for this one. Keep an eye for the right video. I'll probably release it tomorrow. So yeah, once again, please feel free to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.